Dayan na.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Tapos box lang.
Oh my God!
Ang totoong magamit ang na-excite. Actually, si Mel talaga magamit dito. Oh my God! My M50 is here, guys! I'm so happy, but my wallet is not.
Go!
Ay, wait lang yung tawag sa inyo. Okay. Hi, everyone! Hi everyone! Welcome back to Diyosa Live TV, and today we're unboxing this one! Yay! Finally! Woo! Ano lang siya, guys? Charot lang. Charot! No, I finally got myself a camera, a legit camera. It's not DSLR, it's mirrorless. It's one of the newest models. It's one of the newest camera models from Canon. It's the, is it EOS or EOS? EOS. Walang sumasagot. Dami kong, actually, marami akong kasama ngayon kasi this is for our, yan. Dumating na yung siomay namin. Bigay mo lang dyan, kuya. So, ito yung i-unbox ko right now. Very quick lang. It's the Canon EOS M50. So, meron nakalagay dito, EF-M15-45IS STM kit. Whatever that means. So, yan. Unbox na natin. So it says in the box it's Wi-Fi certified. Yeah, Wi-Fi certified, Bluetooth, HDMI, hanash. So this will probably be my last vlog na gamit ang cellphone. Wow, charot lang. Hindi, marami pa akong hindi nabibili for the cam. So it came in time for DFAT. Ayan. So of course it comes with a user manual. And then, may libre siyang neck strap. And, of course, the camera itself. So, this is the lens. Yan, kit lens. Guys, hindi ako marunong mag-handle ng mga magagandang cam. So, medyo kinakabahan ako rin. So, this is the kit lens. Yan. Turuan pa nila ako later paano gagawin. So, gawin. And then, of course, the battery. And what else pa is in the box? The cable for charging, I guess. Siyempre, nandito ang charger. And, tada! Ganito lang siya kaliit, guys. So, magaan lang siya. I'm so happy. Kasi that is one of my requirements. Kailangan magaan lang yung cam. Dahil, so, masakit na yung shoulder ng lola mo. So, ito na siya! Yes! So, it's the Canon EOS M50. So, I really don't know. Hindi ko pa siya ma-demonstrate. So, takot ako, guys. Ayan. So, yan. Pwede siyang i-flip. I'm so scared. Baka masira ko yung panalita. Pwede siya, Pwede siya i-flip. Okay. Hanggang doon lang pala siya.
Other way.
Other way? Are you sure? Oh, yan. So, you know, if I'm selfie. Yan, so if I'm like, hey, Ria here, charot. So, ganon. Tapos, alam mo, feeling ko ito yung katapusan ng cam na to, makalimutan ko paano siya i-flip. Ayan, tapos may mga settings siya and everything. So, everything will be on my blog, and then I'll do another video na i-demonstrate natin. So, ayan, thank you very much, Mommy O, for helping me with this camera. Yung nagpahamak sa akin sa camera na to, Joseph and Miel, hindi ko alam at kung naniwala sa inyo, pero paano naman siya ako. I got the black one, available din po sa white. Mas gusto ko yung black, mas sleek kasi, tsaka mas low maintenance. Pero marami pa akong kailangan bilhin for this. So if you own a camera EOS M50, give me some tips down below. I hope you like this unboxing. Thank you very much for watching. I will probably insert some clips along the way of the photo and a more close-up look of the camera and everything that it came with. So again, thank you for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see my other vlogs and other videos using this camera na. I'm so excited, like super. Please give me a thumbs up. Very brief lang tong video na to, but I hope you like it. I hope na mas maganda yung ating mga future vlogs. And leave a comment down below. Baka meron kayong mga suggestions because I can do more vlogs now. Or more content now because of my camera. Watch my other videos. Don't forget to visit my blog. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye!